Hello everyone. In this video I will demo multi-agent workflow in n8n. Last time we created HTML analyzer, and if its HTML is correct we send an email or upload a file. Now we will create a resume analyzer where again using chat we'll send a resume, some sample resume content of a candidate. The agent will analyze, it will have access to the job description. So it can check if the resume fits to that job or not. If it fits, it sends it to one agent to create a interview scheduler email content. And if it doesn't fit, then it sends it to the other agent which creates a rejection email content. So these agents can do a lot of other things, but for this example we'll stick to the email content. Without agent also we can send email, but that will be a templated email, fixed content for everyone. So here in this simple email content creation also AI agent fits the criteria. So this 3 AI agent will make this multi-agent workflow complete. So let's get started. First let's add the chat trigger. Let's send some chat message. So this is a basic resume of a 3-year-old 3-year experience React.js developer. Let's send it. Okay, so this workflow is working. Now attach it to an AI agent. So here you can see now we have this chat input which will be given to this agent, and we want to give a system message, system prompt. Analyze the incoming resume content to see if the candidate is suitable for. Now suitable for which role? What is the job description? So in real life this AI agent will have access to some tool where the job description will be attached, and it can fetch it and include it in this prompt. But for now in this simple demo I can give the job description in the prompt only. So I'll say if the candidate is suitable for React profile, return yes, else return no. See, this prompt is given to the model which can return exactly what we want, like yes or no, but it's not guaranteed. AI responses are not guaranteed. Sometimes it can return yes, it fits, or small yes, right? But we will take action based on the exact output. So we want AI agent to return exact answer. So we'll add some more instruction to it. With that instruction, probability of correct answer will increase, but it will not be 100%. So in real practical examples, we have to do a lot of other things to make sure the responses are 100% correct, because we will take action based on that response. Yes, then do this. No, then do this. If it is small yes, our use case will fail. So for now I have said return capital yes and else return no, capital no. Now I'll just add now let's connect this agent to a model. and we already have connected it to OpenAI account. You know how to do this, right? Now let's run it. It says yes, you're selected, right? I have this Ramesh has 3 years of experience in React, so it's yes. Let's just say Angular. It says no. That means this agent is working. Now based on yes and no, we want to take action. So we'll attach if node. Here you can see we have this chat input from earlier node, which we will give it to here. Oh sorry, we'll give this output, not this chat here. So output is no, or it can be yes. So I'll say output should be yes for this to be successful. So let's see it is success or not. It goes to the true branch. If it's no, then it goes to, sorry, it is true, it is no, so now it is going to the true branch. But if I say yes, it's going to the false branch, so that is correct. Now when it is true, I want interview scheduler email to be sent. So let's just create that agent which can send interview scheduler email. So basically it will create the content and then we'll attach an email to send. Now observe the important thing. Here this agent is connected to this node, and this node is returning yes and no, not the content. It doesn't have, like here in this agent is connected to chat. The chat is directly given to this AI agent, but this agent does not have access to the chat directly. Here you can see in this source of prompt there are two options. One is connected chat trigger node, which is this one. So this does not have the content, it has yes and no. So here you can see it will have yes and no. So that won't work, we need chat input. So here we have to use this second option, that is define below. So here we have to create the message. So in this message we will pass the chat input from the previous node, right? In this option we can only give input from the previous node, last previous node, but in define below we can add from any node. Okay, keep that in mind. While creating the other agent, you have to choose define below, and then from all the inputs available we have to select the chat input and give it to it. And so this will be the user message, the input. Now we have to create the system prompt. Based on the incoming message in user prompt, create email body for interview scheduler email. Do not give anything else, no hello and no thank you. So just let's test. Okay, model is not attached, so we'll attach a model. Nothing to do here. Now see if we can test it. Execute step, still not working. Let's test from here. It's returning no, and no is not attached. Let's try for yes. So make it React. See here I have created all the workflow correctly, set up everything, but now we have to check if this works or not. And here where we need to know the troubleshooting. We think that it should work, but it doesn't work every time. So we have to troubleshoot and make it work. So I think that it will go to true, and then this AI agent will return the content. Let's see if it does or not. Yeah, it does. So it says this is the system prompt and this is, oh no, see this output. Yes, let's check it out. Okay, so here it is returning correct. So it's taking this input and returning the output as this message, which is what we want, right? It should be here. Yeah, this is the output. So this is correct. Let's save it for now and then connect the no to. Now let's correct false node to the other agent. Here also remember we need to select define below, and we don't have this input because we have not executed this no step. So first let's try that. Let's see if we get this. No, we don't have. So what we'll do, okay, first let's attach the chat model. So these things you need to understand how to fix, make it work. Now let's see if it works. There is no previous node. We need this variable, so we need this previous node. It is not there. Still not working. So let's do this. Open this, copy from here, because it will be same variable, and we want the system prompt also. Let's copy that also. See here we have to say we based on the incoming message in user prompt create email body for rejection email. Okay, let's save this, check. It's success. Let's see what it returns. Yeah, so it returns correct rejection email. Let's save this. So now after you get the email content, here you can attach an email node and send this email. You will have email in the resume, and also this also can be attached to send a rejection email, right? So the point was multi-agent should work, which is working. We need agent to create customized content based on the experience, based on the name, based on the skills. We can create rejection email or scheduler email content. We may say that for React, for Angular, your profile is not selected, but we have more requirement in future, so you can reapply. But if it is something which company never works on, then they can say we don't work on these skills. so it will be outright rejected. So based on the situation, this AI agent can decide the content, right? So we need the agents to create email content. So this is the basic setup for a resume analyzer and a multi-agent system. You can enhance it further to add more conditions, to add more complexity, to add more actions, right? One thing which I would like you to try is to attach a tool where it will be fetching the job description from. So here I have hard coded the job description as React, but that can be fetched from other service which will be a tool. It could be an Excel where you mention the skills and you use the Excel tool and fetch from there. What you can do is you can try that, and if it doesn't work and you want to really see that, then you let us know, we will demo it. Okay, so for now this basic multi-agent system is working and you can try that, and if any question please ask. Thank you.